Gusto mong yumaman? Hindi mo kailangan ng 8 hours agad. Minsan, 0 minutes ide lang ang difference between poor and rich. Hindi mo kailangan ng perfect plan. Kailangan mo lang ng small habits na ginagawa araw-araw. Ito ang 0 minute habits ng mga successful people. Buksan mo lang notes mo. Isulat, magkano ginastos mo today? 0 minutes lang pero malalaman mo kung sino ang kumakain sa pera mo. 0 minutes of reading per day equals 3,650 minutes a year. Literal na nag-iiba utak mo. The richer your mind, the richer your life. 0 minutes per day learning a money-making skill, editing, writing, digital business, freelancing. In 70 days, beginner ka na. In year income skill na. Hindi kailangan perfect. Hindi kailangan malaki. 0 minutes per day can change your entire future. Comment 0 minutes kung sisimulan mo ang isa sa mga habits na to today.